This video will show you on how to add Tron network to OKX Wallet. Well, ensure your OKX or OKX app is updated to version 6.96 or later to access the latest features, including Tron network support. Add the Tron network, open the OKX app, launch the app on your device, tap on the Wallet tab at the bottom, tap the plus sign or Add Network button. From the list of supported networks, choose Tron. Follow any prompts to complete the addition. Once you're added, your Tron wallet will be accessible within the OKX Wallet interface. To deposit is just simply TRX or TRC20 tokens into your Tron wallet. Go to Tron wallet section within the OKX app, tap on deposit, select the appropriate token, whether it is TRX or USDT TRC20. Copy the provider deposit address, then initiate your transfer. And that's all on how to use and that's all on how to add Tron network to your OKX wallet.